Okay, so the first thing is we're gonna have a username. So you seen like many website which has like the user password login method.
Yeah.
So this is the logic they use behind the backend. Okay, this is the
Oh.
backend of that thing. Okay, so how it actually works. Okay, so in front end we might just see two boxes, and what actually happens in the back end is this one. Okay, so except we just have only one name, but we have a list of names. Okay, it would look something like very big name. So so to use a more than one thing like a list of names, we can use a list. Okay, the list is represented using the square bracket, and I can say admin. Then I can say, let's say you want to log in, should, sorry, and then let's say I want to log in. Again, I'll put my name. So it's gonna have a list of names, and then it's gonna have the password for each name. So the first password is this one, and the next password is whatever the password you gave will get saved in the backend, and it will have a certain password. And then for me it's gonna have again some certain password. So it will look something like this. Okay, but actual backend, but we don't want to do that one because it's gonna make it complicated. We'll just do the simple thing. Okay, say username is gonna be admin, and the password is gonna be in double quotes, which is okay. Do you have any idea why we use these double quotes? Should, because obviously 1 2 3 4 is a number, so why do we need to use the double quotes?
Just to like show that's the writing.
mm,
So
yes,
that's
so
what password equals, kind of.
yep, exactly, because we need to compare this password, right? So we need to compare
Yeah.
this password. So I'm not going to calculate anything, or I'm not going to sum anything. I'm just going to compare this password with my current password. Okay, so I just don't need any integer type or float type of string, float type. I just need a string type to compare my values. Okay,
Hmm.
and it's not like it should be only numbers. Even the user can give something like this one, and 1 2 3, it can be anything, right? Any characters, it can be anything, like special characters. So it can be something like this as well. So it's not necessary it should be in just numbers. So that's why we have, it's just an example. It says like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay,
Okay.
so by default we have this username and password. By default you have like use some systems, in some systems they have some default password. So even when you before login they give you, okay, this is gonna be the password and username for this one. In Linux systems we have this certain method
Hmm.
where they just give a I think I use Kali Linux, so they just give Kali and admin, something like that. So first we're gonna get the input from the username. Okay, and then we're gonna get the password from the username. And if input is equal to username, okay, so if the input is equal to username, and if input password is equal to username, then login is successful. Else print incorrect. Else username is not found. What is this? Okay, let's make this simple. Okay, I'll use and, okay, because I want to check two statements. Okay, I'll put this statement over here which says input password is equal to password. If the username and password is same, if the right hand side is equal to left hand side, okay, that's what it means. Okay, if the input password, whatever the user gave the password, and whatever the password we have over here is same, then login is successful. Else incorrect password. Let's make this simple. Our username not found. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Can you try this program, Shrit?
Okay.